So now let's see how we can insert images from Google Images inside of Google Jamboard. So in order to insert out images from Google Images, on the left side you can see that we have tools right here. And if I were to click over here on add image, then what you have is you have this dialog box that opens up. So once this dialog box opens up, you can see that Google Image Search is an option over here. Once you click on Google Image Search, this is what you have. So on the search for images section, you can go around and search for different images right here. So let's say I'm going to type in nature and press enter right here. Then this is what you have, as you can see. So you can select out the image that you have right here and then click on insert. And what happens is that that image is inserted out here just like this, as you can see. You can go around over here onto images, select out another image just like this and click on insert. And then this is what you have, as you can see. You can resize it and place it wherever you want. And that is how you can insert images from Google Images inside of Google Jamboard. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.